Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Learners Club YouTube channel. Let's learn pronunciation. 10 more words you might pronounce incorrectly. You are watching part 10 video. जी हाँ, अब तक हम 90 वर्ड्स की प्रोनाउंसिएशन सीख चुके हैं. ऐसे 90 वर्ड्स जिनको हम डेली लाइफ में मिस प्रोनाउंस करते हैं, गलत बोलते हैं या गलत पढ़ते हैं. हर वीडियो में हमने 10 वर्ड्स को डील किया है. अगर आप अपनी प्रोनाउंसिएशन को इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं तो आप हमारे चैनल पर तमाम वीडियोस अवेलेबल हैं, देख सकते हैं. Let's get started our lesson. First, we recapitulate the last 10 words. Say these words: folk, masculine, feminine, gauge, draft, fierce, garden, garlic, giraffe, glacier, suggestion. The number one, pierce. Say this word: pierce. R should be silent. Pierce. Say this word: pierce. Number two, donkey. Say this word: donkey. Don't say donkey like monkey. Donkey. Number three, handkerchief. Yes, very tricky pronunciation. Handkerchief. First D is silent and second R is silent. Handkerchief. And don't say hang like song. Handkerchief. 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 Number four, cylinder. Yes, Y gives the sound of E. Cylinder. R is not pronounced. R should be silent. Cylinder. Say this word: cylinder. Number five, police. Yes, don't say police. 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 Say this word: police. Number six, stomach. Yes, CH gives the sound of K. Stomach. Say this word: stomach. Headache. Yes, don't say headache. Headache. Say this word: headache. Number seven, mountain. Yes, mountain. Don't say mountain. Mountain. Say this word: mountain. Number eight, leopard. Yes, O is not pronounced and R is also not pronounced. Both are silent. Leopard. Say this word: leopard. Number nine, cough. Yes, GH gives the sound of F. Cough. Yes, cough. Say this word: cough. Cough. Number 10, innocent. Yes, second N is not pronounced and E is also not pronounced. Innocent. Say this word: innocent. Innocent. Thanks for watching this video. Next video में इंशाल्लाह 10 new more words की pronunciation सीखेंगे. जब तक के लिए अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Subscribe the channel, the Learners Club, and ring the bell icon.